Hi, in this session we will be discussing of Cartesian products of set. So what is a Cartesian product of two sets? So for example, if I have set A and I have set B, so A and B are the two sets, then I can define the Cartesian product of A and B as A cross B. So you have to denote this as A cross B. You have to pronounce this as A Cartesian product of B. A Cartesian product of B. In such that it is a set of all ordered pairs. Set of all ordered pairs of 1 and 2. 1 and 2. And such that always 1 belongs to A and 2 belongs to B. Okay, so what is this means? What is this Cartesian product? Is an ordered pair of 1, 2 such that 1 belongs to A and 2 belongs to B. Means if I have two sets A and B and I want to denote A cross B, which is a Cartesian product, then I can say that always my result of A Cartesian B will be an ordered pair. What do you mean by ordered pair? A pair which has some order. A pair which has some order. What is that order? Always the first element from my pair should always belongs to the first set, and the second element from my pair always belongs to the second set. So A is the first set and B is the second set, and if I write A cross B, so A is my first set and B is the second set. So the result will be the set of all ordered pairs of 1, 2 where 1 belongs to A and 2 belongs to B. We'll see with an example here. So for example, I have two sets as the definition says. I have set A and in my set I have the elements as 1, 2 and 3, right? So this is my set A. I have 3 elements here. Now I have another set which is B. Okay, and my set B is having the elements as like this: small a, comma B. Okay, so I have two sets. Set 1 is a set which has 1, 2 and 3. Set B is having two elements A and B. Now I am going to write a Cartesian product B. A Cartesian product B. So what is set? Which is nothing but a set of all ordered pairs. So set means again I have to start with open brace, and I am going to write all ordered pairs in such that first element should from the first set, second element from the second set. So my ordered pair will be 1, A and then 1, B. So with all elements of A, I am going to pair with all elements of B in such a way that all elements of A should be the first, all elements of B should be the second. Next, 2, A. Set with the second element from A with the first element from B. And 2, B. 2A and 2B. Next is with the third element. So 3A and then 3B, right? This is a set of ordered pairs. Set means open and closed bracket. So all ordered pairs I have put in a set, so which is a ordered pairs. So now my A Cartesian product B is set of all ordered pairs such that what my first element belongs to first set and always the second element belongs to my second set. Okay, this is the Cartesian product of A and B. Here we have to remember one thing, always A cross Cartesian product of B is always not equal to B Cartesian product of A. Why? Because if you check this and just write all your ordered pairs of B Cartesian product of A. Now what is this? B Cartesian product of A means now my first set is B and my second set is A. So all my first elements should start with B and the second elements should pair with A, right? So I have to start the set like this from all the elements of B to A. So I have elements A from the set B and then from set A 1. So A1 and then I'll be having A2 and then we have another pair which is A3 and we have one more element which is B element. So my pair will be again B1, right, and B2, so B2, right, and then B3, so B3. This is the set of ordered pairs I am having from the Cartesian product B and A. Now if you observe my B cross A or B Cartesian product A and A Cartesian product A, which is not equal. This is the first element 1, A and here it is A, 1. So which are not equal. So we have to remember this note. Always A Cartesian B product is not equal to B Cartesian A. So this is about Cartesian product of set.